Today I will show you all how to install the Omni-Terminator steering hub metal upgrade parts. First, prepare the steering hub metal upgrade parts, 1.5 and 2.0 sized hex drivers, and a 7mm hex nut driver. First, use the 7mm hex nut driver to remove the wheel fixing nut. Then remove the wheel hex. Take out the steel pin and remove the metal shim. Next, use the 1.5 hex driver and remove the screw connecting the steering rod from the steering hub. And then use a 2.0 hex driver to remove the round head screws from the steering hub. Remove the stock steering hub. Upon removing the steering hub, there are upper and lower bushings on the C-hub. Be careful not to lose these. Use a suitable tool and remove the bearings from the steering hub. Reinsert the bearings into the metal steering hub part. Slide the CVD into the bearings of the metal steering hub. Then use a 2.0 hex driver and reinstall the upper and lower screws onto the C-hub. Reinstall the steering rod onto the metal steering hub. Reinstall the metal shim. Reinsert the metal pin. Reinstall the wheel hex and the wheel. Finally, use your hex nut driver and tighten the wheel nut. And check the movement of your steering. That's all for how to replace the steering hub on the Omni-Terminator. We hope to see you again at the Rlaarlo Engineering Workshop.